Hey guys, what's up? So you can see this is my topology. We are now configure VRRP. Okay. So you can see our three router 1, router 2 and router 3. Router 3 are also ISP and loopback 5.5.5.5. Okay. And this is our topology. One switch and two PC. Okay. So let's go. We first of all configure our PC. Go to console, IP 192.168.10.1, subnet mask 192.168, our default gateway. Okay, then I assign our next PC. Okay, so go to PC 2 and our IP address we assign. So 192.168.10.2 and subnet mask and our default gateway 10.200. Okay, so now you can see our configuration successfully. Okay, so now I can go router 1, open CLI, enable config terminal, then I can configure my router 1. Okay, so let's go. You can see interface fast ethernet 0 by 0 our local IP address. Okay, 192.168.10.100 and our subnet mask, then no shutdown. Okay, then interface fast ethernet 1 by 0 our IP address 1.1.1. Okay, 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown. Okay, then go to router 2 and configure our router 2, enable config terminal. Okay, you can see our local IP address fast ethernet 0 by 0, IP address 192.168.10.200. Our local IP address means this is our default gateway. Okay, no shutdown. Then interface first ethernet 1 by 0 we can configure now. Okay, first ethernet 1 by 0, IP address 2.2. Okay, 2.2.1, subnet mask and no shutdown. Okay, so next we can configure router 3. Okay, so go to router 3, open CLI and enable config terminal. Okay, interface you can see fast ethernet 0 by 0 our IP address 2.2.2.2. Okay, then 258.258.258.0, then no shutdown. Then another IP address fast ethernet 1 by 0, IP address 1.1.1.2. Okay, 80, no shutdown. So I can look back here. Okay, interface LO0, I mean look back 0. Okay, our look back 5.5.5.5, 255.255.255.255. Okay, then no auto. So look back configure successfully. Okay, so now we can check Control Z press, we can exit, and now we can check show running config, then enter, and you can see interface loopback 0 5.5.5. Okay, our loopback here Fast internet 0 by 0, we can check there 2.2.2. Okay, then fast internet 1 by 0, IP address 1.1.2, and our subnet mask is totally successfully. So you can check another. So go to router 2. I can check. You see our configuration. Router 2 fast ethernet 0 by 0, 1020 IP address, and fast ethernet 1 by 0. Okay, 2221 IP address. Okay, yes, successfully. Then we can go router 1. Okay, so running config. Now you can see our router 1 running configuration 10.2 fast ethernet 0 by 0, 10.100. Oh, yeah. Fast ethernet 1 by 0, our 1.1.1. Yes. So our configuration successfully. So now we can router EIGRP configuration. Okay. We can now enable configure terminal router EIGRP 100 network. We can our PC IP address basic. Okay. 10.0. Then enter. Then network 1.0.0.0. Okay. Then no auto summary. Then in. Okay. We configure router 1 and go to router 2. This is same style configure. Okay. Enable config terminal router EIGRP 100. Then network 192.168.10.0. Okay. Then network 2.0.0.0. Auto summary. Okay. Then in. And this is our router 3 configuration. Okay, EIGRP. Okay, enable config terminal router EIGRP 100. Okay, then network 1.0.0.0. Then network our 2.0.0.0. Then network 5.0.0.0. Why 5.0.0? Because our loopback here. Okay, so I can take 5.0.0.0 and push no auto summary. Then I can exit and show running config. You can check our router EIGRP 100 successfully. Okay, so now I go to PC1 and now I ping 5.5.5.5. You can see our ping successful show. Okay, so now we can configure VRRP. Okay, so let's go our router 1. Then trace route 5.5.5.5. First of all, we can check which route using this protocol. Okay, you can see 1.1.1.2. Okay, so 1.1.2 our left side protocol using. So and you can see this topology. This is our virtual. Okay, virtual default gateway 10.150. This gateway used two side. Suppose this side is down. Okay, when this side using this gateway and protocol up and down. So we can configure now. Then you understand. So enable config terminal. Then interface. Okay, interface our local IP address fast ethernet 0 by 0. Okay, fast ethernet 0 by 0. Then we can write VRRP 1. Then IP. This IP we can use. Okay, 192.168.10.150. Then enter. Okay, then we can check show VRRP. You can see this is our master. Okay, this is our master status. Then go to router 2. Same system I configuration. Okay. Then interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. This is our local IP address. I mean local cable. Okay. Then we can write VBRP1 VBRP1 IP 192.168 10 150 and int. Now I can check show VBRP. So you can see status is master. So I hope R1 is master. You can first of all, but I can now check more. Show VBRP. You can see this is our backup router. Okay, this is our backup router. Convert to backup router. Okay, so R1 our backup router and R2 our master router. Okay, so our backup router and master router. So in this video we can show VRRP how to configuration. So thank you so much. This is our video. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.